Dude, I literally just watched a gas station print me a battery. I know how that sounds, but I'm standing there watching this machine just casually 3D print my car battery like it's printing a receipt. These Austrian and German companies created this printer that makes any battery you want, while lead acid, alkaline, even those expensive redox flow batteries. The trick, special 3D printed ceramic separators that unlock alkaline lead batteries, totally lead-free versions, and low-cost redox flow. Protonen-Akkumulator in Austria calls it a carbon fiber-based battery system, and with flow batteries, the tanks scale for cars or for stationary storage. You know that frustration when your battery dies and you spend your entire Saturday driving to different stores? Well, apparently that nightmare is about to end. Gas stations printing batteries on demand, that's the kind of convenience I didn't even know I needed until right now. You're putting your battery soon at the station for your car or your home.